Hi, I'm Reid, the owner of Vibes ATL. Now you're tuning in to Next Level Learning. I love smoking hookah. I've been smoking hookah for years now. I hated going out to these clubs and lounges, paying for hookah that I wasn't interested in. So I kind of perfected it and did my own thing. When friends came over, they loved it. So that kind of inspired me to start my own business and do something my way, the way I like to do it. I would say that kind of separates us from other hookah companies, customer service, and we actually take our time to get it right. You know, we're not necessarily always rushing to get the hookah out there. We perfect it before we get it out there. No matter if you're just smoking for 15 minutes or an hour, and customer service is always there. If you don't like a flavor, we're not gonna sit here and charge you to bring it back. We'll remake it for you. We'll let you try flavors if you wanna try them. We just actually want you to have a good time smoking hookah. We want you to have a vibe, you know? The process pretty much looks like me packing my car. Let's say you having a private party and you want, I'll send you a form, a questionnaire saying how many hookahs you want, for how long, what type of party is it. We pack those hookahs up. I bring my own table, my own hookahs, my own outlets, my own plugs. You have to worry about nothing. The business side of it is it's trial and error. You know, when you go into a business, you don't just jump straight in, start making, you know, a lot of money. It took a lot of trial and error, having different mentors, people who own, you know, other businesses, entrepreneurs, and things of that nature. At first, yeah, I kind of felt defeated, but now I'm rolling and I'm getting the hang of it. So, like I said, it's kind of trial and error. Like I said, it's trial and error, man. A lot of clubs, percentages, you know, that comes into, that was a trial and error thing for me. When I first started, I didn't think going into a club, they wanted certain percentages. And, you know, I thought I was gonna be able to go into a club, hey, I'm bringing you money, you're bringing me money, we're good. When I first started off, it was difficult because a club wanted a certain percent more than I was willing to pay. But, you know, starting off, I was just trying to get my name out there. So you kind of gotta bite the bullet, you know, just to get out there. Patience, commitment, and loyalty. When you go into a business, you tend to develop certain relationships with other business owners and stuff like that. Like I said prior to, I thought I had a relationship with a certain business owner. He wanted more of a percentage than I wanted to give him. I brought him business, he brought me business, but it didn't work out at the end. But, you know, we're still up and running. Like I said, it was early in our business relationship. So, you know, I'm kind of learning from that. I would tell myself to keep going, you know? When I first started the business, I was nervous on starting it. I didn't want to. I kind of got pushed to start the business. So I'm glad that I got that, you know, extra push. I would just tell my younger self to keep going, you know, just do it instead of waiting, you know, just go ahead and do it.